Supreme Court ruling is fueling a legal fight on the Georgia coast. Environmental groups say a developer illegally filled wetlands on St. Simon's Island, and after 2 court dismissals, they're pushing to get the case heard again. WSAV's Christine Quayle joins us now with how the outcome could ripple nationwide.
Yes, Ben. So what's at stake here is a ½ acre of wetlands on St. Simon's Island. Environmental advocates say a local developer filled it illegally and in doing so violated the Clean Water Act. Their lawsuit was thrown out, but they're not giving up just yet. Case that's been making its way through the courts since 2019. Glynn Environmental Coalition, Center for a Sustainable Coast, and St. Simon's Island resident Jane Frazier are the plaintiffs. The Island Acquisition, a local real estate development company, is the defendant. Last week, the plaintiffs filed a petition for a rehearing to the 11th Circuit Court. Their attorney, Laura Husel, sat down with WSAV to break down why they want a rehearing.
Just kind of give me an overview of the case here.
They filed the suit in 2019. Alleging that Sea Island Company violated the Clean Water Act when they filled a wetland, a ½ acre wetland located on their property under a permit that was fraudulently obtained. In applying for the permit, they told the Corps of Engineers that they intended on filling the wetland in order to build a commercial office building in this wetland. And instead they filled the wetland with landscaping and sodding. The Clean Water Act states that you cannot discharge a pollutant. A pollutant would include sodding. It would include any kind of fill material that you would put in the wetland.
But the courts didn't agree, ruling in favor of Sea Island Acquisition twice. First, a lower court ruled the plaintiffs did not have standing to bring the case and couldn't prove environmental harm. A second time, a district court and the 11th Circuit Federal Court ruled that the St. Simon's wetland didn't qualify as a jurisdictional wetland under a 2023 Supreme Court decision.
In a Supreme Court case called Sackett versus the United States, the U.S. Supreme Court narrowed the definition of a jurisdictional water of the U.S. and said now a continuous surface connection is required. And we still believe that what was included in our lawsuit showed that Sea Island Company's wetland had a continuous surface connection through a salt marsh that connected to Dunbar Creek.
So the 11th Circuit has not yet decided if it will grant a rehearing, but for environmental advocates, the case is about far more than just one Georgia wetland. They say it could help decide how wetlands are protected across the country. Christine Quayle at WSAV News 3 on your side.